What I'm going to demonstrate first is routing in dual output mode with up to 3 sources. So if you use the sources on the codec, routing in dual output mode, when you're sharing content, regardless of whether you're not in a call or not, you hit the share button, that pops up in your available sources. Again, we've configured inputs 2 and 3 to be wireless and laptop. The only other source in this particular mode that you'd be able to add is the proximity from Cisco. So the internal proximity sensor could be a third source. But in this scenario, routing strictly from Touch10 and only on the codec itself, no external router. This is how it works. So if I pick share, I have the option to share either of my sources. So if I share wireless, that goes to both outputs. If I share my other source, my laptop in this case, it will always route to output 1, which is the left monitor. So regardless of what I stop sharing, the remaining output, the remaining source then gets routed to both outputs. And I'll do it the opposite way. So if I start by sharing my laptop and then add the wireless, again, it routes directly to the first output. So that's always the behavior. If I start sharing one source, it goes to both monitors. If I add a second source, it always goes to the left monitor. And then stopping sharing either source will route both to the screen.